Are you dancing with them? That's one heck of a kick. Are you following their moves on TV? Keela. He's calling your name. What are you guys doing? You going to night? You're not sleeping there. Wow, you dance like mom. Good job, guys. I'm proud of you. Yay, clap for yourselves. What's that? What are you saying? Can I have the remote, please?